Okay, guys, I decided to make this video because I don't want you to suffer too much trying to do these problems. And I think you'll be fine with all the problems. And I think for some of you, this kind of problem will be also okay. But I don't want to just assume that. So I'm going to show you how to do number 40 on page 529. Okay? All right. So the equation is given here. The value of certain car depreciates. Depreciating means that the value goes down, okay? According to this formula. And the T is a number of years after the car is purchased new. So A is asking, what will the car be worth in 18 months? I don't think I need to help you with that because, the only thing I will tell you about A is the fact that this is in month, but T is in year, right? So think about 1 year is 12 months. So then how can you change how many years is in 18 months? Okay, so if you can figure that out and plug that into T, you'll be fine with A. Okay. B, when will the car be worth half of its original value? So how do I know which one is the original value? Well, do you remember the PERT? Do you remember the P is the principal, meaning the initial amount? So the original value must be 18,500. So then, what is the half of that? Well, let me get my calculator. 9,250. So part B I will do here. So we want to know that when would my amount be 9,250 when my equation is this thing. So then, first we need to divide both sides by 18,500 because we want to isolate T. And I know that this is going to be 1/2, right? Because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for half of what I started. E to the negative 0.186T. Okay, this is where our problem begins. What did we use if we wanted to bring the exponent down? It's another part of our chapter. It was log, right? But because the base is e, we're not going to use just any log. We're going to use the natural log. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put natural log. This. I mean, this is a long way to do it, but I'm going to show you this way so that you can recognize certain things. So we can review basically. So this is a power now, so I can bring it down. And what happens if you have a base that matches with the inside? Well, it becomes 1, okay? So the right side really is the power is the only thing that's left. And ln 1/2. Well, ln is a number, and whatever is in front of t is a number, so we can divide both sides by that number. And then you plug it into a calculator to get t. It's 3.72659 ... So I will just say 3.7-ish. Okay? So what it means is that it will take 3.7-ish year to get to half of what you have purchased. Okay? See, I'm going to set it up. I'm going to let you try it on your own. Okay? So we want to know when it will be less than 1,000. So this is an inequality, right? Less than 1,000 of what we started. What was it? 186 T? Yeah. Okay. So again, nothing to worry about other than the fact that you need to isolate T. Again, if you use the technique that I showed you right here, you not get confused with where does my inequality sign goes and things like that, okay? So I will let you try that on your own. I just wanted to really show you this example, the part B, because that's the only example that I didn't show you on the lesson video. So I hope that helps. I know this is a skill that you already know, but in a word problem, it can be it can come off as more difficult than it really is. But know that you know the skill, and then just apply what you know, and you'll be fine, even if it's a word problem. Okay? That's it. Bye!